Hello and welcome. We are discussing previous year questions of HCF and our theme is remainders with HCF or remainder cases. So we will learn the meaning of the theme with the help of questions directly. You will get to know. So let's solve problems. This is the problem number 1. It says 421 and 427 divided by same number. Leave the same remainder 1. How many number can be used as the divisor, meaningly factors, in order to get the same remainder 1? So 421 has been divided by 421 and 427, both of them has been divided by same number. So let's say both of them has been divided by x. We know that dividend is equals to divisor, which is x here, into quotient, let's say q1, plus remainder. Remainder in both the cases is 1. Done? Now, next. This 427 is the dividend. It has been divided by same number x. So dividend is equals to divisor into a quotient, and remainder in the second case is 1 again. Okay. Now, from this case number 1, I can say this 421, keeping this one on the left hand side, minus 1 is equals to x into q1, which says 420 is equals to x into q1. Now, since we have used the remainder here, so this x and this q would be an integer. So 420 is the product of two integers, one of which is x, another is q1. So definitely it means x should be a factor of 420 or divisor of 420. At the same time, see, if we take this one on the other side, it becomes 427 minus 1 is equals to x into q2. Again, while writing in this equation, this x should be a complete number, this q2 should be a complete number. So 426 is the product of x into q2. It means x, this 426 is the multiple of x. So on the other hand, I can say x should be a factor of 426. So from here, I can say x should be a factor of 420 and 426. X should be a factor of 420 and 426. Since both of these x are same, so this x must be the common factor of 420 and 426. I hope this point is clear. So basically the number that we are looking for is the common factor of 420 and 426. Actually, there is no need to write down all these steps. You can directly arrive at this conclusion just by reading these statements carefully. Okay, so I'm erasing this part. Now, since I know x is the factor of, or I know x is the common factor, I'm writing common also, common factor of 420 and 426. So to calculate all the common factors, let's find out highest common factor first. Okay, so what is the highest common factor of 420 and 426? Let's calculate this first. Now we will use long division technique. 426 divided by 420. 421s are 420. Remainder is 6. This remainder is less than 420. So 6 will become new divisor and 420 will become new dividend. Now 420, 670 is 420. So see, or rather than this, if you are getting confused here, so what else you can do? See, 6 sevens are 42. So remainder over here is nothing, but from the above you will drop 0. Now 6 zeros are 0. So finally your ultimate remainder is what? Your ultimate remainder is 0. So this gonna be your highest common factor. So highest common factor of 420 and 426 is 6 directly. Now, if you want to find out common factors of 420 and 426, so all those numbers that will divide, their highest common factor will also be the remaining common factors of these two numbers. See, highest common factor is 6. So 1 will be the common factor of 420 and 426 for sure, because 1 will divide 6 completely. Now 2 also, because 2 will divide 6 completely, so 2 will be common factor of 420 and 426 for sure. Next is 3. 3 will divide this highest common factor 6 completely, so definitely 3 will be their common factor also. And 6 itself will divide 6. That is why the 6 will also be the common factor of 420 and 426. Now, these are those 4 numbers that will divide 420 and 426 completely. But we are basically dealing with 421 and 427. So basically we are looking for those numbers which, if with we are looking for that number, if we divide 421 by that particular number, remainder obtained should be 1. So 421 when divided by 1 will not produce remainder as 1, so we will discard it. Now 421 when divided by 2, remainder will definitely be 1. 421 when divided by 3, remainder will definitely be 1. And 421 when divided by 6, remainder will definitely be 1. Hence 3 values are possible, or 3 common factors are there, which, so with these 3 common factors, when 421 and 427 will be divided, remainder obtained gonna be 1. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next problem. So next question is, a can X contains 399 liters of petrol. A can X can contain 399 liters of petrol and Y can contain 532 liters of diesel. So in X we are having petrol only, in Y we are having diesel only. They are to be bottled in bottles of equal size. So we want to bottle them. Okay. Just read the question, bachcho. I hope guys you have understood what is given in the question. Let's continue. Now we want to bottle this 399 into smaller bottles. So definitely the bottle will contain lesser amount as compared to 399. Okay. Now let's read it carefully. Bottles of equal size, so that whole petrol and diesel would be separately bottled. The bottle capacity in terms of liter is an integer. How many different bottle sizes are possible? See, suppose if I'm considering bottle of size 1 liter. So there is a bottle and its size is 1 liter. Suppose. So I need 399 bottles to pack petrol and 532 bottles to pack diesel. So basically the size of the bottle should be such a number that will divide 399 as well as 532 completely, because 1 is such a number that will divide 399 as well as 532 completely. So basically the size of the bottle should be common factor of 399 and 532. Size of the bottle should be common factor. Now, so how to calculate how many factors are common? So, for dealing with this, calculate highest common factor first. Let's calculate highest common factor of 399 and 532. So, 532 is bigger number divided by 399. So, 399 ones are 399. Okay, 12 minus 9 is 3, 12 minus 9 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 133 is smaller than 399, so 133 is the new divisor and 399 will be new dividend. Okay, now 133 3s are 399, remainder is what? 0. So the step in which remainder is 0 will provide me HCF. So divisor of this step is 133, so 133 will be their HCF. So highest common factor of 399 and 532 is 133. Now see guys, we are looking for size of the bottle. How many bottle sizes are available? So bottle sizes must be common factor of 399 and 532. Now, common factor of 399 and 532. So one of the common factor gonna be their highest HCF. So one of the bottle size can be 133. Another bottle size or common factor of 399 and 532 will be all those number that will divide 133. So 1 will divide 133 completely. So 1 will also be the common factor of 399 and 532. Further, 7 will divide 133 completely. See, 7 ones are 7, 63 it is, 7 nines are 63. So 7 will divide 133 completely. So 7 will also be a common factor of 399 and 532. And finally 19 will divide this 133 completely. So 19 will also be a factor, also be a common factor of 399 and 532. So 4 different sizes of bottles are possible. 4 different sizes are possible. Hence answer is option B. I hope class the question is clear. Thank you.